I have the website which probably I have already mentioned, which is www.lakhon.com. I have elaborated detail my mission. 13 points are there. That includes education, health, employment, CUET centers, and all. 2-3 points that I will stress. First, when we say education, it is to be focused on primary and the middle school education, where government sector schools has to be strengthened. The other aspect is, what do we do with those who are poor? Say, for example, taxi driver, the street vendors, or those who are daily laborers. If anything happens to them, what will happen to their family? I have an idea that if anything happens to the breadwinner of the family, they will be taken care of. There will be an education fund which will be created with the philanthropic contribution and also whatever an MD can, if you elect me. There will be an education fund to support poor school children if their parents cannot sustain. That will be one mission. The other very important part is we will have to have a policy where housing has to be provided for all poor, particularly in rural as well as urban. How it will be done, that is important, because we do see that with time landlessness is too much, particularly among the tribal population. I think we have to address this issue very, very strictly. The last, or rather second last, I would say, is that we have to have a platform. Now, yes, we will have agendas 13, 14, 15, some overlapping with different candidates, different parties. But one which I have kept and is one which is called Beyond Religion, a platform for real societal issues. Because in our individual church and mandirs and masjids and wherever we go and do our prayers in churches and so on, we all discuss different issues. There is never a platform where all religious leaders can come and discuss societal issues. Forget about the religious issue for that moment. This is going to be my endeavor. If you elect me, there will be a platform which will be called as Beyond Religion, where religious leaders will discuss issues that concerns every aspect of our survival. That includes from unemployment to education to failure of the healthcare system to drug menace, alcohol menace, and so on and so forth. Whatever that can be encompassed, so that we listen to each other's views. So that is what I would